This individual initially demonstrates a loss of motion at the C5, C6 level. What you're going to see next is the person actually being adjusted using the arthroStim instrument under cine radiography. The practitioner begins by administering a preload, and they deliver 12 thrusts a second now. This is immediately after the adjustment, and as you can see, the person has much greater range of motion, both intersegmentally and globally. Here's the pre again for comparison. Once again, immediately after, a greater range of motion.